I'm not going to put that on the internet. Like if you see me on the streets and I'm wearing that dress with the bow in front, just mind your business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Iman, and today, because this is the last video of the month, I have decided to share with you what I bought in April. Of course, only African designers per usual. First purchase I made, so we'll see the videos here of me trying the items on. First, I bought items from a Nigerian brand called IbilolA Ogundipe. Hope I didn't butcher the name. But remember, in the last mini haul, I'll put it here, I mentioned that I had bought items that had arrived, but the colors were wrong. I finally got the right colors, and thank you very much to the brand for their amazing customer service, because I mean, when you see the shipping fees from Nigeria to Ivory Coast, you may think that not every brand will have that kind of reactivity and ship a new order, but they did, so thank you very much. That's like really great customer service. So first item is this set right here, red. It is amazing, it is so pretty. And actually I first received the turquoise one, and the turquoise one is also very pretty, but I really like the red because when I bought it, I thought about getting it for a friend's wedding in a few weeks, so I feel like it's really perfect. Unfortunately, when I tried it on, one of the buttons, the cover of it fell, but they did give me new buttons, so I will just have to change that. And that's not really something I get annoyed with, because I understand that it's very difficult to find good accessories, etc., and good vendors to get quality products when you have your brand. I know it's very complicated, so I understand things happen, and I guess they know, so they make sure that they give you other buttons to change that. And here it's super easy to change that, so it's not taking away from the beauty and the overall quality of the product. Like really, I like the fabric. It's like a little silky, but it's still a little stretchy. So for the pants, for example, when I was putting them on, I really did not struggle much to put them on because the fabric is still a little stretchy, although it gives this silky vibe, and the color is so pretty. I already believe that's really what I'm going to wear for the wedding. I'll put pictures on my Instagram when I do go to the wedding, so you can see how I styled it, but it's super pretty. The second item is still from the same brand, so Ibilola Ogundipe, but this time it is a dress, and that color, oh my god, it's like, again, I'm giving you like follow up with my nude kind of obsession, but this is really nudish on me. I know I showed you underwear, I showed you a top in similar colors, but I really am loving this type of colors lately, and this dress is just perfect. And what I like a lot is that it's giving that cutout dress that's very trendy this year. You see, I'm sure, everywhere on Instagram, on the fast fashion websites, you see a lot of people with the cutout type dresses. But this one I feel is still very classy because it's just a little triangle. I really like also the bow, and what I really like about that bow is that the bow itself is not the tie, so you have actual fabric underneath, and then you have the bow, so that if the bow gets undone, you're not just like, OMG, what's happening? So that's great. And also that's very great for people like me that have bigger chests, because if you have just a bow to handle your boobs, it's complicated. Trust me, it is very complicated. So this dress is like absolutely amazing. And I feel like you can, because of the color and the way it is, you can really dress it up or dress it down. Like it goes both ways for me. I'm really am happy about my purchase for sure. Second brand I bought items from is again a Nigerian brand, and it's a brand that makes adire outfits, and I kind of give a teaser about it in my the video about the African fabrics, and this is actually what I was talking about. So first I bought a dress. So here you can see it's again a maxi dress with kind of puffy sleeves. I really like that, the off the shoulder vibe with the puffiness. It kind of gives me similar vibes to one of the tops I bought last month. But here the cute part is actually in the back, so you have the party in the back, and it's the cutout vibe again here with a tie, so you can tie it in the back. So the first time I actually saw this dress, I'll put the picture, but it was a lady that actually wore this dress reversed, so she put the bow action in the front and it looked amazing. So when I ordered, I was like, I want that, and the lady was like, oh, she just styled it different, but this is really how it's supposed to be styled. And I was like, I still want room here so I can try, because I have bigger boobs. It was a big fail. It did not work for me. Like, I tried putting it with the cutout in front. It didn't. It was not good. At least I'm not going to put that on the internet. Like, if you see me on the streets and I'm wearing that dress with the bow in front, just mind your business. Maybe it's just that I'm feeling great that day or I'm on vacation somewhere, but I don't think the streets are ready for me to be wearing this, because I have bigger boobs, so it didn't work well. But it's still very, very, very beautiful. Like, don't get it twisted. And that adire fabric, that color, I really like it. I feel like it's very unique, and again, it's giving the same nudish brown vibes I'm really liking lately. Second item I got from this brand is a jumpsuit, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a sucker for a jumpsuit, a good jumpsuit. And here I picked so it was originally presented on their Instagram in black and white, but I have black and white outfits a lot, like dresses, etc. So I wanted to add something extra to it, so I picked that fabric. It is absolutely beautiful with the open back, and at first I was like, that kind of neckline is not for me. I have bigger boobs. When I'm going to put it, it's going to squeeze my boobs. It kind of does, but because you can relax the strings in the back, it goes by fine, and I really like the effect in the back. Like, it is so pretty. And I know some people out there will be like, oh, you got fat rolls on your back or whatever. I don't care. It's beautiful and I'm rocking it, fat rolls or not. Like, you're not going to make me not wear this because I have fat rolls or stretch marks. It doesn't bother me. It used to bother me, like stretch marks, but I figured that is so silly. That is so super silly, because stretch marks do not go anywhere. They can fade, but they are not going anywhere, so just live your life, period. And the last item is a pair of shoes, perfect for spring, summer, for those of you who live in Western countries. It's spring, summer all the time here. It's from Oloro, so it came in this, and here are the beauties. Like, and as just to start, you see them, they look like a little massive. They are very, very, very light. So that's really good. So what happened is that I was on Instagram a few months ago, minding my business, going through stories, and I saw a picture of this design. I was like, this is super cute. And I messaged them. I was like, I really like it. Is it possible to make the platform a little fuller? Because I just felt it looked better than just a regular platform. And they were like, yeah, no problem. How tall do you want the platform, etc. They made it, delivered the day I got them. Literally, because I walk as like a workout, I walked in them super comfortable. And I also saw that very day that they were making other colors. So trying to get mesh money. But yeah, they are very nice, and they're very on trend. I feel like this is kind of giving me, even like Doc Martens has similar type of shoes. I'm sure you've seen this type of design a lot, but it's made in Africa, and that's why I got them. I was not going, if I can get, that's my point, like if I can get something made in Africa and that's similar to something that's Western, I'm getting the made in Africa, period. Even though it's like it may be a little more expensive. I have to support local designers. I have to support this industry growing on the continent. So yes, get you some, because, and also they're not so super expensive. They were 35,000, I guess. So I'll put the exchange, but I think that's about like $60 or $70, around $70. So not crazy really. So that is it for me today, and for the items I purchased this month. I was a little more reasonable, and actually I was a little more reasonable on clothing and shoes because I did get a lot of beauty products. So that will be one of my next videos, maybe next week or the week after, I'm not sure, because I still have to tweak some things, but I would like to do my nighttime skincare routine, daytime and nighttime. Yeah, I'll do both, and I want to share like my current favorites. And I feel like in the ones I'm getting, because I'm getting, sorry, new ones, but some of them I know for sure I'm going to love, because again, right now it's really hot here, and I needed more fresh type of skincare products, etc. So that's what I got. So I have to try it out first and see how it reacts. So maybe end of May, that's when I'm going to do the favorites one, but I'll do the routine one prior to that, I think. So have an amazing weekend. Thank you again so much for being here week after week. I really am so grateful for having you here, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.